This air fryer hot dogs recipe is so simple and easy. Let's get in the kitchen and I'll take you through step by step how to make them. All you need are hot dog buns and hot dogs and whatever condiments you want. You don't have to spray your air fryer basket. Most of them are non-stick, but for some reason I have this crazy habit. So then you just plop in the hot dogs that you're gonna make. I've done up to 5 in my air fryer basket and they've all cooked very well. Put the hot dogs in air fryer basket for 5 minutes. It should be an already preheated air fryer, and then they're just in there for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. To toast hot dog buns in the air fryer, just pop them in there for about 2 to 3 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. As far as the air fryer hot dogs versus grilled hot dogs debate, I definitely think these taste just as good as grilled hot dogs. Obviously, they don't have like the smoky flavor, but I feel like they're super simple. My toddler really likes them, so if he changes his mind about what he wants to eat for dinner last minute, it's so easy to make some air fryer hot dogs. Well, anyways, you can put whatever toppings you want on them, and I think I have another recipe that you'd like. You have to check out my recipe for air fryer chocolate chip cookies that are so super soft. I love to make them using a chocolate bar because it just melts and makes them super gooey. You probably have most of the ingredients you need in your pantry to make these. They're really easy to throw together and you have to bake them in small batches, whatever you can fit in your air fryer basket. I got 4 at a time in mine, which is perfect for dessert for one family. So anyways, just 6 or 7 minutes in the air fryer and these are brown to perfection. They're so soft and gooey and keep for 5 days. The recipe is at sipbytego.com. Well, enjoy all your air fried hot dogs, and until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!